In York County, South Carolina, 25-year-old David Joseph Dalesandro entered a quick stop convenience store wearing a mask. He flashed a fake gun tucked into his waistband at the clerk and demanded money. The clerk opened the register and removed $300 and handed the cash to Dalesandro. Deputies spotted Dalesandro in the parking lot of a Dollar General down the street. When they searched Dalesandro, they found a toy gun from the Nintendo game Duck Hunt on him. He was arrested and charged with armed robbery with a deadly weapon, wearing a mask, and petty larceny. He is being held without bond.